So if I were to go around over here on the audio view right here, then this is what you see. You can see that there's different audio over here, and you can see the audio meter over here just like this as well. So in order to import out audio, I'm going to go around under project assets and then double click over here. And once I do that, I'm going to go around over here onto let's say for example audio right here. So let's just go around over here onto audio folder, and here I can go around and bring in an audio over here in audio layer 1. So this is what I have right here, and if I were to press the play button, you can see the audio meter right here, and you can go around and change around the volume as well, as this controls the master volume. So what you may want to do is you want to go around and keep the audio level right here. So whenever it plays like this, you don't want the audio level to go beyond 0 right here, because that will be distorted right here. So I'm just going to go around and bring in other audio over here as well. So you can see that that is what you have. And then let me just go around and then just record out an audio right here in the voice section. So I'm just going to go around over here and I'm going to record it. And this is a test audio. And that is what you have right here. So I got the test audio, as you can see right here. So let me just press done. And if I were to go around over here, this is the test audio. I got that right there. I can go around and utilize this to decrease around the volume right here. And this is what I have. And this is... So now what you can also do is you can go around and then solo out a track. Let's say for example, I just want to hear this particular audio, then everything else will be muted and I only hear out this audio right here. And that is muted. I can go around and then solo out this particular voice audio track as well. So now I only hear the voice. And this is... What you can also do is you can go around and mute out audio right here. So let's say for example you want to mute out 2 audio, then what you can mute out those as well. A test audio, and you want to mute out this. Let's say for example you can do that right here. So you can mute the track right here just like this, so that you only hear the other audio tracks. So that is how you can work around with audio meter and mute audio tracks, and even solo out the tracks as you like inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.